Hi y'all, Karma here. How are you doing? If you're new to the channel, welcome to our holistic healing community where you can find unboxings on herbs, crystals, and so much more with self-care and spiritual growth. If you're returning, thank you for coming to watch this video. I know that just because you subscribe doesn't mean you have to come and watch the video. So welcome. I hope that you all having a great day. I am just getting ready to head to Colorado tomorrow for a week, and so I've got some videos to get taped, and I'll try and get them edited while I'm out and about. But today we're going to open Cosmiccrystal. And Cosmiccrystal is a monthly crystal subscription box. There's not really a number of crystals that you get. It is $21.95 a month plus $5 shipping if you order it monthly, and it can be as cheap as $20.95 a month if you order it annually. So let's look at what we got in last month's box really quickly. In last month's box, we got the celestite cluster that was the half geode, and that, oh, so pretty. It's sitting by my bed and just brought the most calming energy. The selenite heart, which I absolutely loved, and I learned from some of my subscribers who wrote, remember in that selenite heart, it had that really clear crystal piece in it, and I was like, oh, maybe that's like some quartz in there. But what they told me is that the regular part of the heart, or the selenite that I usually get, is a satin selenite. And pure selenite is clear like a crystal, and so that white part was selenite as well, but it was pure selenite. So, learned something new there. And then we got the white howlite tumbled stone. And white howlite is always such a beautiful stone to work with. So, let's get right into this month's box and see what we have. As you open the box, you've got the cards on top that we'll look at, and then your items are tucked down in the box there. So, first, here's her little card. Zuzu does such an amazing job, and some of the things in her box have actually ended up going to some of my giveaways. This is a perfect box for a beginning crystal person, because getting around 3 stones a month is the perfect amount to actually learn about the stones and utilize them during that month. It gives you like more than a week that you could work on each stone to learn them. So it's a great box for that, or for anyone who's looking for an economical box for crystals, just wanting to get a few a month to bring some joy into their life. So first we have, ooh, so pretty. Look at that. I think that's orange calcite, but mostly I've only seen orange calcite, I guess, when it's tumbled and it has that waxy feel to it. I've never seen it with so many pretty, shiny crystals in it. That is just gorgeous. Gorgeous. Orange calcite. Orange calcite encourages playfulness, lightheartedness, and confidence. Encourages creativity, a powerful energy amplifier and cleanser. Cleans out stored negative energy from a room, the body, etc. Increases drive and motivation. Boosts your vitality, your sexual energy, and your ability to self-heal. The chakra is sacral, zodiac, Cancer, and Leo. Planet, sun, and the element is fire. That's gorgeous. And I don't think I've had a raw one like that, so I'm excited to play with that. It's so pretty. I'll take it out in the sun and just meditate on it. Oh, that pretty. Next we have a beautiful pendant. Look at that. I'm thinking maybe sunstone? What do you think? All of these crystals are about the same color, so I'm guessing it's the sunstone. Sunstone. Sunstone is thought to be a stone of personal power, expanded consciousness, and leadership. It reflects the qualities of light beautifully, bringing openness, warmth, strength, and clarity of thought and mind. That is so pretty. And I don't have a Sunstone pendant. Matter of fact, I only have, I think, 2 Sunstones in my whole collection. And this gorgeous cube, look at this. Look how pretty. Look at that. It looks like it has a sun on that side. And there's like a triangle right there. That is so gorgeous. There's the top. I could look at that for hours. That is so pretty. And this is Carnelian. Carnelian encourages an awareness of the connection between the emotional state and the inner condition of the self. It's a high energy stone which helps restore vitality and motivation and stimulates creativity. It improves concentration and removes unproductive thoughts in daydreamers and during meditation. This may be one of my new meditation stones. That is absolutely gorgeous. So in this box, we got the Carnelian cube, the raw orange calcite, and the beautiful Sunstone pendant. I give this box a thumbs up. Thank you so much, Zuzu. It was a beautiful box. All 3 stones are absolutely gorgeous. I don't have anything like this in a necklace, so that was a really nice treat. Often she'll put a piece of jewelry in there and then one polished and one raw stone. Thanks for joining me, guys. Have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you again really soon on the channel where you can say, Karma's my friend. Bye, y'all.